Hey, it's ID Guy Saf. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add RAM to a Dell Micro desktop computer. So let's go and check it out. Alrighty, so I have a Dell Micro desktop with me. First things first, what I'm going to do is, so this is the back of the desktop, as you can see. I have to undo this little, so just undo this little screw. Okay, so once that's done, all you have to do is just push this little thing in the front. Okay, if it's a little tight, I usually just use probably a screwdriver head. And once you've got it pushed out, just using one hand actually. So this thing here, press this. You see these two little slots? Press them together, and that should release it. Okay. Yeah, should just come out seamlessly, easily, like so. Once that's released, these are where the slots are. The RAM slots are. Okay. So that's slot number 1. That's just over here, and the slot number 2 is just above that. So you can add about 8 and 8 makes it 16 GB of RAM. I have my RAM stick here for this micro. So all I have to do is I can either add it in this slot on the top, or I can add it over here at the bottom. So the slot on top, slot at the bottom. So I'm going to add it to the slot on the top. So to make sure it goes in. Okay. So as you can see, it's gone, and all I have to do is just push it down. Like so, and that's pretty much it. Push this back in. There you go. So that's done, and place this back. You see how easily it went in? Now just tighten this. Make sure it's nice and secure, and the rest, all you have to do is just tighten it up. There you go, it's nice and tight, and your micro is good to go. Has RAM in it now. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, make sure you leave a like or share this video, or above all, subscribe. It really helps this channel. Until next time, you take care, and hope to speak to you soon in my upcoming videos. Bye for now.